Hi friends, this is a quick look at this TLR-7X from Streamlight. It's a rail-mounted light. It's really compact. It is 2.5 inches from the back of the tail cap to the front of the lens, and from the body to the front of the lens is just over 2.125 inches. So fits in some really compact spaces. This is the one that is powered by a CR123 battery. They also have a USB-C or a USB rechargeable version of this that comes with a rechargeable battery, but you can also, I believe, swap it out for the CR123. So anyway, goes in positive first. The lens has the spring that goes on the negative part of the battery. One thing I appreciate about this is it has you screw it all the way down. Long hold is temporary, short hold is on. That's all it's got. It's 500 lumen light. With those two settings, don't need all the other stuff. And then it's got a safe mode. It's got a little detent that you can feel when you come back, and when you do that, it won't turn on, so you can store it without draining the battery, which I appreciate. It comes with a bunch of keys for fitting in with different rail systems, and also some separate switches which are for a lower position. So if you're kind of want the higher switch, you can reach it that way. If you want something that's lower because it's going to be higher up, you can swap out the switches pretty easily with just this pin punch, and punch out this pin that goes across, swap out the switches and replace them. They both work the same way, just different reach for wherever you have it positioned. Comes with 4 keys for 1913. I have number 4 on here right now, but they're just kind of different distances from the pin to the key, and then they also have 2 universals just that are a little smaller in size that can be used on other devices. It's got a multi-use tool, so you can use this to tighten this screw. You can use a pin punch. This is for versions that have a little nut over here that you have to hold on to with that part. So to swap out the keys is very easy. This is a spring-loaded screw, so you just want to be careful with that spring, don't lose that. This pops off the side, and then you can just pop this guy out and replace it. So they just seat in there very easily. Put this back on. This has some pins that kind of guide it in the side over here, make sure it's where it's supposed to be, and you're in business. So real easy to get started. You want to have a little bit of wiggle room to get it mounted, and then you tighten it down with the key here. Now, one of the things to be aware of, some of the testing I've seen, when they're over torqued, they can tend to get knocked loose. I mean, if you're dropping it and whatnot. So just make sure you're tightening it to the correct torque spec, not over tightening it, and it'll hold on just fine. So there you go, the TLR-7X.